In this episode, you will practice and build a strong foundation for indestructible self-belief. Listen to your self-belief affirmations daily for 21 days to change your self-talk and learn to replace fear and self-criticism with self-belief. You can sit comfortably in a quiet place or go on a solitary walk. Notice your breathing and all the sensations as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Repeat the statements either silently or aloud, softly, with kind acceptance. Each day, in every way, I nurture faith in my abilities to complete tasks and achieve goals. I know that I can stretch and grow to my fullest potential. Self-belief is an empowering feeling and skill that I practice daily so I can make the most of myself. I know that I have the strength and resourcefulness to handle anything that comes my way. I am confident and resilient in achieving my goals, overcoming my challenges, and living according to my values. When it comes to fear of failure, I examine my past and my belief system. I change negative self-talk and limiting beliefs about fear of failure by discovering where they came from, looking at them objectively, and challenging them, knowing what I know now. I follow negative self-talk and limiting belief about fear of failure back to its root cause and challenge it until it falls over and loses emotional power over me by asking questions like, where did my fear and belief about failure come from? Am I carrying around someone else's baggage, believing that I'm not good enough? Am I taking other people's projections, feeling unworthy and afraid to fail? I understand and remind myself that it's impossible to go through life without experiencing some kind of failure, and it is up to me to decide how to look at failure. I'm learning to accept my mistakes. Mistakes are an important part of our experience as humans because we all make them. I remind myself that it's about how I think about a mistake that will determine how I feel, and if the mistake will hold me back or move me forward. I identify the negative self-talk that results from mistakes and regrets and reframe into a gentle and kind language. I remind myself that mistakes are not just failures, but lessons that give me an opportunity to gain experience and grow. I focus on my mistakes as an opportunity for growth and learning, rather than reasons to punish and shame myself. I'm learning to manage criticism effectively. When I receive destructive criticism, I remind myself that the world is a critical place, full of judgment and unsolicited feedback, but that does not change my worth and my self-belief. I can be assertive, confident, and move on. When I receive constructive criticism, I can listen, learn, and move on. I understand that the most important is how I think internally about criticism and prepare to manage criticism effectively, keeping in mind that there are lots of opinions in the world. By releasing the storylines holding me back, I set a strong foundation for self-belief to succeed. I believe in myself and my abilities to complete tasks and achieve goals. I have the strength and resourcefulness to handle anything that comes my way. I am confident and resilient in achieving my goals, overcoming my challenges, and living according to my values. Step by step, I grow and stretch to my fullest potential. I nurture healthy self-belief and self-confidence that helps me to make the most of myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself.